Welcome back, it's me Ronnie. Today's video is a tutorial on a 3x3 speed cube. Make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Drop a comment below. Let's get to work. Alright, so now my mom is going to mix up the cube and this time I'm going to time it, okay? Go. Yeah.
Go.
Alright, so now you want to solve your Rubik's Cube. Alright, you're gonna look at your cube and you're gonna see a yellow center. Locate that yellow center. See these white edges, white, green, and white, blue? Match those with the yellow center, which it represents a picture of a days, sort of. You know? And then you see that the days is solved. Now, we match the edge to its center, turn that 180 degrees. Doesn't matter where you turn it. As long as you turn it 180 degrees, like this, keep this, like that, and then your white cross will be solved. See? Alright, now you're going to do a righty alg, or righty hand. So you go. So it's kind of like this, righty. So like, let me show you an example. So you're gonna do R prime U prime, kind of like that, kind of like a circle motion, and then your white side is solved. Now you're gonna try to locate a matching side. In this case, we don't got any matching sides at the moment, but once we do this algorithm I don't know what it's called. I forgot what it's called, but it is an algorithm you gotta follow. So you're gonna go R prime, D, R, kind of like that. You know, kind of like that. And then now you see that the green is solved. Now you turn that face away from you. Then you're gonna do the same algorithm. Kind of like that. Alright, now that you got your 130 cube solved, now you're going to look for an edge piece that doesn't have yellow in it. If it don't have yellow, you're good. Alright, so now you see the green and orange. You want to match that up with your green and orange center pieces, right? Well, you're going to turn that away from where it should go. And then you're going to go do righty alg, And now you're going to do something what's called a lefty alg. It's the same thing, but it's opposite. Kind of like that. Alright, now you're going to turn it. Now you're going to do the same thing, but if it's to the left, you're going to do lefty alg first, and then you do righty alg next. See, kind of like that. Now, you just got one last one you got to solve. See, 2/3 of the cube is solved. 2/3. Now, we already got the yellow cross. Now, some cases it happens, but other cases you got to do a certain algorithm for it. But in this case, we got lucky, so we can move on to the next step. We just skipped a step or two. Alright, now we need to match the corners to its corners like this. Green, red, and yellow, green, and red, like that, kind of like that. Well, they're not matching up properly, so you're gonna do what's known as the adjacent swap. So you're gonna do righty alg 3 times, spin, lefty alg. See, 2/3 of the cube is still solved. Now you got the now you got this. Now you're gonna do it again. Gotta keep on doing it until you got this corner solved. Yep, these 2 corners are solved. Now the next step is to match it. Do the same thing that you did with the white sides earlier. Kind of like that. Now, are you ready for the grand finale of solving your Rubik's Cube? Now, you're gonna take this, face it towards you, not away from you. Face it towards you, and you can see these edge pieces are out of place. So, righty alg, lefty alg. See? Righty alg, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now your cube is solved. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.